Hi guys, welcome to Handmade with Sean. Today I'm going to be making some gems. I'm going to use some alcohol inks and some white sinker dye here. Just going to mess around with a couple colors. Right now we'll go with a peach red. These inks are from Resin, so we'll give it a couple drops. We'll do this one too. Let's go with the caramel. This one I haven't used yet, so we'll use the caramel drops. We'll go with the caramel on this one too. Make sure when you're using your resin that you always give it your alcohol inks. Make sure you give them a nice little shake. We'll go with green in this guy. Kind of a forest look. And this guy here, we'll go with sky blue. And we'll do blue violet in with the blue. All right. And what we'll do, shake up our sinker white here. Just go through and put a couple drops. Go back over this guy here. Put a couple more drops of the caramel in here. I think it's pretty neat how the sinker white makes the alcohol move around like that. Just kind of put it in there and just let it do its thing. Go back through with some red here. Fill in these empty spots. So I got these little needle nose bottles off Amazon because I went out and I bought sinker white from Resin. It's a bigger bottle, and basically what I did was I just took some out of here and put it in this. That way I don't have to have too much open at one time. You can get these bottles off Amazon. They're really inexpensive. think they come 10 or 12 to a pack. And they're really neat. Like I said, they come with a little lid so you can close it up. You don't have to waste it, but make sure you give it a good shake before you use it. So what I'll do, whoop, a little too much there. Well, so what I'll do is I will add some more red to that one, because I don't like how that just separated like that. There we go. Just all right. So what I'll do is I'll let these sit for about an hour or so, and then what I'll do is I'll come back and I will swirl them around to put a design on them. And then I will backfill them with solid black, and then we will demold them. So, see you soon. Alright, hi guys, I'm back. So, these are nice and hard. So, let's demold and see what we got. Well, it turned out nice. Still a little damp. Really like the way that one swirled. Alright, on to this guy. I think that's my favorite so far. I really like the way it's swirled in there and stuff. Probably could have went with a darker background on it to make it pop, but And on to the last guy. That one turned out really nice. I like the way that one looks. Alright. So once again, there's that guy. Alright. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and follow. And I'll see you for the next one. See you, bye.